Hello, everyone, and welcome to the webinar on Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools AI Literacy Course for Families. CMS AI Implementation Journey. In this section, we will review key milestones in CMS AI planning and implementation, develop understanding of the CMS phased community-centered approach, view how stakeholders' input shaped CMS AI vision and guiding principles, reflect on CMS commitment to safe, ethical, and effective AI use. Key completed milestones. CMS has taken a strategic step-by-step approach to planning for artificial AI. In March 2024, CMS laid the foundation with the first annual Data Privacy Summit. In August 2024, CMS partnered with ILO, an expert group, to strategically plan AI for the district. From September to December 2024, CMS engaged with stakeholders to develop stakeholder engagement and communication plans. From January to February 2025, CMS district leaders gathered insight through the AI Stakeholder Survey, interviews and focus groups, and developed a community feedback report. From March to April 2025, CMS utilized the feedback from the community to draft the CMS AI vision and guiding principles. May 2025, CMS hosted the second annual Data Privacy and AI Summit. This event brought together educators, leaders, and community partners to explore and build insights gathered from stakeholder surveys, focus groups, and interviews conducted earlier in the year about artificial intelligence. June 2025, CMS launched the CMS AI Vision and Guiding Principles at the annual Summer Leadership Conference. This conference brought together school and district leaders for a full day of professional development. From April to August 2025, CMS launched a communication campaign. From May to June 2025, a cross-functional team was established to provide leadership, guiding the safe and effective integration of AI across CMS. Community engagement. CMS has engaged the community through district leader interviews. 45 district leaders across central office departments participated in small group interviews. Stakeholder focus groups. CMS conducted focus groups with individuals including but not limited to the Board of Education, families, students, teachers, and school administrators. In a community survey, over 10,000 individuals responded to the CMS AI survey. Out of the respondents, over 3/4 were families, and 2,000 CMS staff members weighed in. Review community engagement feedback. CMS took the feedback gathered from the community engagement district leader interviews, stakeholder focus groups, and community surveys, and found common themes that were used to draft the CMS AI vision and guiding principles. To further your understanding of CMS AI vision and guiding principles, view the Shaping the District's AI Vision for Artificial Intelligence AI report for more details on the feedback CMS received. The report can also be viewed on www.cmsk12.org/AI. CMS AI Vision and Guiding Principles. In this section, we will gain understanding of the CMS vision for the responsible use of AI, review the guiding principles that shape how AI supports teaching, learning, and operations, explore the next steps for implementing the vision across CMS. CMS AI Vision. Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools embraces artificial intelligence, AI, as a catalyst for learning for all. AI will strengthen, rather than replace, the role of all staff in delivering excellence across each of our 4 pillars: academics, people, operations, and engagement. Leveraging the perspectives and partnership of our families and community, CMS will lead in the safe and effective adoption of AI, preparing all for success. The CMS AI vision emphasizes the following: enhancing, not replacing, the work of our amazing staff, supporting all our 4 pillars of excellence, partnering with families and the community every step of the way. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human connection and leadership. CMS AI Guiding Principles. Academic Excellence. CMS is committed to ensuring all students and educators are AI literate. For students, AI literacy includes understanding how AI works as a learning tool, using AI responsibly, and evaluating its outputs critically. For educators, AI literacy includes enhancing instruction and personalized learning, fostering critical thinking, and promoting academic integrity. People excellence. AI will transform how we learn, collaborate, and innovate, offering just-in-time support and unlocking new ways for educators to grow, connect, and lead. CMS will build the capacity of employees, teams, and the organization to use AI responsibly, effectively, and efficiently to maximize the success and creativity of all. Operational excellence. CMS will leverage AI to optimize district operations, streamline processes, ensure accuracy, and improve efficiency. We will continue to adhere to cybersecurity standards and federal, state, and district policies for protecting stakeholder data. Engagement excellence. CMS will use AI to increase and improve engagement with all stakeholders, delivering on our commitment to excellence. AI will personalize communication, anticipate needs, and strengthen relationships, ensuring everyone we serve feels seen, heard, and valued. Next steps. CMS is moving intentionally and carefully, focused on student success and family trust. These intentional steps are to ensure that AI enhances student learning, amplifies student voice, supports our educators, and reflects CMS core values. What is AI and how does it work? In this section, we will define AI and generative AI, explore how AI tools are trained and what influences them, identify real-world examples of AI usage. Let's take a look at two vocabulary terms in this section. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a program made by humans that makes computers do things that seem intelligent or smart in the same way that humans are intelligent. Generative AI, a broad category of AI systems designed to create new original content such as text, images, music, code, or video by learning from large data sets. What is AI? Let's watch a brief video to learn about artificial intelligence, AI.
Every time your kid asks Siri a question, watches a YouTube video, or takes a picture with their smartphone, they interact with artificial intelligence. AI has been around for a while, but recent advancements have brought artificial intelligence back into the spotlight. So, what is artificial intelligence? It's a program made by people that makes computers do things that seem intelligent or smart in the same way that humans are intelligent. How does AI work? First, AI is built using data, lots of it. Much of the data comes from the internet and includes things like websites, newspaper articles, books, social media posts, and anything else that has been put online, including personal information such as your full name, birthday, photos, and more. This information can be incorrect or biased. Then, computer engineers build intelligent programs that use data to learn, solve problems, and make decisions. An example of AI that makes predictions is the tech behind the scenes in social media platforms your kid probably uses, like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. These recommendation programs use information like your kid's browsing history and their interests to predict what posts or videos are most likely to keep them engaged and online. AI can also be used to create or generate content like text, images, audio, and even video. This is called generative AI. You can find this newer type of generative AI in applications like ChatGPT, where you can use text instructions to ask the AI to do things like answer questions, have a conversation, or generate a picture. AI can make mistakes or show bias if the data it learns from is incorrect or unfair. Bias means favoring or discriminating unfairly against a person, group, or idea. AI isn't limited to just making predictions or generating content. It's called artificial intelligence because it allows machines to do things that seem human. This includes learning. A digital map may learn which routes have less traffic at different times of day. Perception. Smart assistants listen to voice commands and use AI to interpret the instructions you give them. Natural interaction. AI chatbots mimic how humans speak to simulate conversations. And reasoning. Self-driving cars use sensors to perceive their environment and make driving decisions like how fast to go or when to stop. As you can see, artificial intelligence is being used in a lot of things, and it's already embedded in many of the digital spaces you and your kid navigate every day. So, the next time you have a tech talk with your kid, ask them, what excites you and what concerns you about AI? And to find out some answers to these questions, check out our toolkit.
How does AI work? Artificial intelligence, AI, means teaching computers to learn from big sets of data called data sets. These data sets help train algorithms, which are step-by-step instructions that help computers find patterns or things that happen again and again. After learning, the algorithms can make predictions, which are smart guesses about new things, like suggesting products or understanding speech. Where can I find AI in daily life? AI is used in many parts of our lives. Here are some everyday examples. Social media. Algorithms on platforms like Facebook and Instagram decide what shows up in your feed based on what you like and click on. Navigation apps. GPS apps like Google Maps and Apple Maps give real-time traffic updates and find the best routes. Smart devices. Phones can recognize your face to unlock or use other features. Entertainment recommendations. Apps like Amazon and Netflix suggest shows or products you might like based on what you watched or bought before. AI risks and opportunities. In this section, we will recognize the risks that come with using generative AI, reflect on the importance of having a human in the loop, identify the opportunities of AI use in education. Let's take a look at 3 key vocabulary terms in this section. AI bias. When an AI tool makes a wrong or unfair decision because it learned from data that wasn't fair to all people, places, or things. Hallucination. When AI creates answers that sound right but are actually wrong or made up. Human in the loop. When a person checks and approves AI's work to make sure it is correct before using it. What are the potential risks of generative AI? Sometimes it can make up information that isn't true, called hallucination, and this can cause confusion. AI can also learn from unfair or incomplete information, which can show bias. People might use AI to pretend to be someone else, bully others, or invade privacy. Since AI can make mistakes, people need to check and help guide what AI does to make things safe and fair. This is called having a human in the loop. What are the opportunities of AI in education? AI in education provides opportunities to improve student learning. It can create personalized learning, which means lessons fit what each student needs. AI can also provide on-demand feedback so students know right away how they are doing and how they can improve. It helps with creativity by generating ideas and tools to make projects more fun. For students who speak different languages, AI offers language support and makes learning easier for everyone. Supporting students with AI. In this section, we will define AI literacy and why it is important, identify what AI will look like in CMS during the 2025-2026 school year, explore what families can do at home to navigate AI safely and responsibly. What is AI literacy and why is it important? AI is changing how we learn, work, and live. It powers many digital tools we use every day. As AI gets better, students need to learn how to use AI safely, kindly, and wisely. Teaching AI literacy and critical thinking will help students develop 21st century skills better understand a world shaped by AI, and navigate its impact on their work, relationships, and information consumption. AI in the 2025-2026 school year. All staff will complete a self-paced online course focused on foundational AI concepts. AI Champion Schools and Central Office AI Champions will explore AI tools more in depth through a pilot program. These experienced staff will lead by sharing and adapting AI strategies district-wide. K-12 students will learn about AI through required CMS, digital citizenship, and AI literacy lessons. For more information, contact your student's school. How can families navigate AI safely and responsibly at home? Start and encourage AI conversations. Discuss personal and school AI use. Set clear boundaries around when and how AI tools can be used, helping create healthy habits. Support learning the difference between ethical, right, and unethical, wrong ways to use AI. Additional resources. Additional resources are provided for you to explore at your own pace. These materials can help deepen your understanding of AI. CMS hopes this overview of Charlotte Mecklenburg School's AI literacy course for families was thorough, and we thank you for taking the time to watch this recorded webinar to support your family's learning.